To keep bolts from loosening, we often use washers. But how effective are they? Let's test it. First, a nut with no washer. We mark it, start the vibration test, and in under 4 seconds, all clamping force is gone. Next, a spring washer. It helps briefly, but after 10 seconds, the force drops to 0. Then a double nut setup. It works at first, but the clamping force still declines over time. Now, a nylon lock nut, designed for vibration resistance. It performs better and stays stable longer, but slipping still occurs. With the same torque and vibration, all traditional methods eventually loosen. Why? They rely on friction, and vibration always reduces it. That's why friction-based locking isn't reliable. Here's the breakthrough. The wedge lock washer, often called a never-loosening fastener. It uses 2 interlocking washers and a wedge effect, not friction, to stop rotation. Even under constant vibration, clamping force stays stable, and it removes just like a normal nut. That's why it's used in bridges, vehicles, and other critical structures.